doing my husband's pants today. Even though he ordered some new work pants, his everyday pants are kind of falling apart. But this one, some of them I just need to put new buttons on, but a lot of them I need to patch them up on the knees because my husband bends down a lot and the knees always bust out. Glue all the pieces down so I don't have to fight with a bunch of needles, and I can just glue it and stitch it and be done. Alright, well, as you can tell, I started using a embroidery hoop. Pretty shoddy patchwork, but it's all sewn around, and it's not, you know, it doesn't have to look beautiful. My husband is wearing these pants, and if anything, the more distressed, the more ugly, I guess, it looks, the better.